You add 4 on both sides. Right? Nothing. You will have f of x or y plus 4 is equal to
2x
x squared
minus 8x
minus 8x.
minus
Alright, we don't know. We're going to add something here. How you get that term? What will you do?
b divided by 2.
What is b?
Negative 8.
I'm going to take negative 8 divided by 2 and do what to it?
Square.
And square it. The reason you can do that is because a is already 1. If a was not 1, you cannot do that. Right? So whatever you do on one side, you have to do it on the other side.
And that's 6.
So you will have f of x plus 4 plus negative 4 squared is equal to x squared minus 4x plus negative 4 squared. Right? So you can see where it's come. You always gonna keep that thing because it's gonna pop up again. Right? So here you will have f of x plus 4. What is negative 4 squared? That will be 16. No negative. Whenever square negative number, it has to become positive. So you will have x squared minus 8x plus 16. This becomes a perfect square trinomial. It's something times itself. So that something times itself is something squared. Right? What goes inside the parentheses?
X minus 4.
X minus 4. That's the reason you keep that as your reference. Always that the number that goes inside the parentheses with your variable. That will be x minus 4. And on that side you will have f of x plus what? Plus 20. We almost have that in vertex form. And we're going to rewrite this again as x minus 4 squared. The only thing here, we're going to let this equal to 0. Since we're going to look for x-intercept. What is 0 plus 20? Then this is equal to 20. We're going to use that so we can find the x-intercept. Right? Now we're going to solve for f of x. How will you solve for f of x? What will you do? Subtract 20, then your equation is in vertex form. You should be able to tell what the vertex is. So you'll have y or f of x is equal to x minus 4 squared minus 20. Now can you name the vertex? What is it? 4 positive negative 20. That's the vertex. Exactly. You always take that. This is become your h. When you change it, your x-axis is 4. This number. Right? Now here we're going to solve for x. How will you solve for x? We do what? Take the square root of each side. We'll have x minus 4 is equal to plus or minus whatever square root of 20 is. Remember that can be simplified. So we're going to come back and simplify that. Alright? Since we're not showing anything to decimal for now. If we're graphing it, then we can change it to decimal. Now how can you get x by itself? You add 4. Then you'll have x equal 4 plus or minus root of 20, guys. Pay attention to that. There's a perfect square inside 20. You need to fish out that perfect square. What number is a perfect square inside of 20? What is it? 4 times 5. That will give you 20. This is a perfect square. Then you take the square root of that. What is square root of 4? Then you will have x equal 4 plus or minus 2 root of 5. This is your best possible answer for ACC, whatever SAT, that's what they want out of you without not changing to decimal. In this case, that will have been the end of this problem. Since you are graphing it, now you can change that to decimal to know the decimal value, right? Only when you're graphing it, you change it to decimal value. Always explore your radicand to see if there's not a perfect square inside of it, because that's what they want out of you, right? Then that's where this problem starts. And what will have been the y-intercept? 0, comma, negative 4. See, this is your x-intercept, your y-intercept, your vertex. The only thing you ready to do is to graph it, then you done.